Are you in the market for a new bike multifunction tools, but not sure where to start? Look no further, because this video offers valuable insights into the best bike multifunction tools on the market. After extensive research, we compiled a list of recommended products from trusted brands, so you can make an informed choice. To access details about the price and more, refer to my description. Let's proceed with the video promptly. Number 1. Vibrelli Bike Multitool V19. Are you a serious cyclist or someone who likes to be prepared for any eventuality while out on the road? Introducing the Vibrelli Bike Multitool V19, the high-performance multi-tool for bicycles. Consisting of 19 precision tools such as hex keys, spoke wrenches, and screwdrivers, this tool can handle most basic repairs and adjustments on the go. Made from hardened high-tensile CRV steel and built to military-grade MIL STD 810G standards, this tool is designed to last and can withstand tough conditions. The slimline profile of the tool makes it easy to carry, while the non-slip sidebar grip ensures a comfortable and secure grip. And with its lifetime manufacturer's warranty, you can rely on this tool for many years to come. Don't let a mechanical issue ruin your ride. Get the Vibrelli Bike Multitool V19 today, and be prepared for any situation on the road. Number 2. Crank Brothers Multitool M19. When you're out on the road, the last thing you want is to be stuck with a bike issue without the right tools. Introducing the Crank Brothers Multitool M19, the versatile and lightweight bike tool that comes equipped with 19 different tools in one. From hex wrenches to spoke wrenches, screwdrivers, and more, this tool has everything you need to handle most basic repairs and adjustments on the go. And with the chain tool being compatible with 8 to 12 speed chains, it's a great option for cyclists with multiple bikes. The side grips are designed to provide a secure hold, even with gloves on, ensuring a comfortable and safe grip. And with its slim profile, measuring only 89 mm in length and weighing a mere 175 grams, it's easy to carry with you on your ride. Plus, with its lifetime warranty, you can be sure that this tool is incredibly durable and will last for many years to come. Don't let a bike issue ruin your ride. Get the Crank Brothers Multitool M19 today, and be prepared for any situation on the road. Whether you're a professional cyclist or just someone who loves to ride, this tool is an excellent option for your toolkit. Number 3. Elmer's Bike Crank Extractor and Bottom Bracket Remover. As a cyclist, having the right tools for bike maintenance is essential. The Elmer's Bike Crank Extractor and Bottom Bracket Remover is a reliable and sturdy toolkit that can be used with any brand type bottom bracket. With its 20-teeth spline type bottom bracket and standard square tapered crank sets, the BB teeth remain undamaged during removal. The bike bottom bracket remover can be used with a 24mm socket, wrench, or adjustable spanner. This toolkit is perfect for both outdoor biking and home bike mechanics, making it a necessary addition to any cyclist's toolkit. The Elmer's Bike Crank Extractor and Bottom Bracket Remover is also durable and built to last, so you can rely on it for many bike repair and maintenance projects to come. Its compact size makes it easy to store in a bike bag or take with you on the go. If you are looking for a high-quality and versatile tool for your bike maintenance needs, the Elmer's Bike Crank Extractor and Bottom Bracket Remover is definitely worth considering. Keep your bike in top condition and enjoy a smoother ride with the Elmer's Bike Crank Extractor and Bottom Bracket Remover. Number 4. Double-sided bicycle pedal wrench for maintenance and repair. As a cyclist, you know how important it is to keep your bike in top condition. That's why the double-sided bicycle pedal wrench is an essential tool for every cyclist. This versatile tool features 3 wrenches of 15, 16, 17mm specifications, making it highly versatile and perfect for various bicycle pedal maintenance and repair tasks. The precision steel construction ensures its durability, while the easy grip plastic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. The long handle increases the moment of force, making it easier to loosen and tighten pedals, and the anti-slip grip and offset design protect your hands and knuckles from any scratches or injuries. Plus, the clear instructions for installation and removal make it easy to use, even for novice cyclists. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the double-sided bicycle pedal wrench is a valuable addition to any cyclist's toolkit, making it easy to maintain and repair pedals quickly and efficiently. Number 5. Toppy Cratchit Rocket Light DX Tool. Introducing the Toppy Cratchit Rocket Light DX Tool, the ultimate compact and versatile tool for every cyclist. This tool is a compact and lightweight solution for on-the-go bike repairs. With its 12 tools in one, it's perfect for any situation. The tool includes a ratchet, a chain tool, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, Allen keys of various sizes, and Torx keys. The high-quality materials used to make the tool ensure its durability and reliability, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip. And when you're done using it, the tool can be easily compacted and stored in a case, taking up minimal space in your backpack or bike bag. So, whether you're a casual cyclist or a professional racer, the Toppy Cratchit Rocket Light DX tool is the perfect tool to have with you on your next ride. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.